Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with prerequisites already in place, Tor browser installed, and a vetted VPN ready. First, verify Tor's signature or checksum to ensure integrity. Next, launch your VPN and enable its kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Once the VPN is connected, open Tor browser to create the chosen routing, VPN over Tor or Tor over VPN. This immediate action protects your ISP from seeing Tor usage and positions you for the next configuration steps. Now you configure routing and harden your setup. If you chose VPN over Tor, confirm the VPN is active before opening Tor and verify the exit IP via a trusted check. This hides Tor use from your ISP. If you opted for Tor over VPN, set your VPN, then point Tor or your apps to the VPN's SOCKS 5 or proxy endpoint so Tor traffic enters the tunnel. Make sure DNS leak protection is on and WebRTC is disabled in the browser to prevent unintended leaks. Finish by testing everything. Check IP, DNS, and WebRTC to confirm no leaks. Use a new Tor circuit for clean sessions. Once done, consistently use Tor browser for onion sites and remember to request new identity when needed. If something breaks, first check the VPN kill switch and your firewall rules, then switch VPN protocol, UDP versus TCP, or reconnect the VPN and Tor in the correct order. That targeted troubleshooting step resolves most connection or leak issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.